Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the new grammar topic, collective nouns. There are several different types of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns and collective nouns. In this video, we are going to learn about collective nouns. Look at the interesting noun phrases shown in the picture. A herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies. Some common nouns have a special name when they are in a group. Collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals or things of the same kind, spoken or as a whole. The words herd, flock and swarm are the collective nouns used to refer to groups of cows, birds and flies respectively. Let's look at some more collective nouns. A crew of sailors. Crew is a collective noun which refers to a group of sailors. A band of robbers. Band is a collective noun which refers to a group of robbers. Let's have some more examples. A staff of teachers. Staff is a collective noun which refers to a group of teachers. A class of students. Class is a collective noun which refers to a group of students. A pack of dogs. Pack is a collective noun used for a group of dogs. A litter of puppies. Litter is a collective noun which refers to a group of puppies. A set of tools. Set is a collective noun which refers to a group of tools. A bunch of keys. Bunch is a collective noun which refers to a set of keys. There are different words, different collective nouns used for groups of people, animals or things. Here are some collective nouns for groups of people: a family, a team, a community, a choir, a band, an orchestra, an audience, a crew, a club, a committee, a company, a gang, the government, the army. These all words are used as collective nouns for groups of people. Here are some more collective nouns we can use for groups of people: a crowd of shopkeepers, a gang of thieves, a company of actors, a panel of judges, a class of school children, a platoon of soldiers. Crowd, gang, company, panel, class and platoon are the collective nouns used for different groups of people. Many groups of animals have their own special collective nouns. For example, a herd of cattle, a litter of puppies, a pride of lions, a drove of sheep, a brood of chickens, a school of fish, a pack of wolves, a flock of birds, a troop of monkeys, a pod of dolphins, a gaggle of geese, a swarm of bees. Some more collective nouns. The words a piece of means a single serving or part of something. For example, a slice or piece of bread, a slice or piece of cheese, a piece or square of chocolate, a slice or piece of cake, a sheet or piece of paper, a piece of chalk, a piece of information, a piece of advice. These all words are used as collective nouns. Collective nouns may be used with a singular verb or with a plural verb. If the group is acting as a single unit, use a singular verb. If group members are acting as individuals, use a plural verb. For example, the crowd was orderly. The crowd were clapping, yelling and cheering. Always use a plural verb with the collective nouns people and the police. For example, those people lives in Asia is wrong because the verb lives has been used wrongly. Those people live in Asia, the correct verb live is there, so it is correct. The police has caught the thief. The police have caught the thief. The police have caught the thief is correct because have verb has been used as plural verb here. Some groups of things also have their own special collective nouns. Examples: a bunch of bananas, a cluster of grapes, a bunch of flowers, a bouquet of flowers, a range of mountains, fleet of ships, a fleet of vehicles, a deck of cards, a flight of steps, a suit of rooms, a suit of furniture, a set of tools, a string of beads, a grove of trees. Now it is the time to revise. Stop your video for a while and do this worksheet. Add a suitable collective noun to complete the sentences below. The dash of soldiers marched over the hill. The army of soldiers marched over the hill. A large crowd of spectators cheered loudly. A pack of wolves lived in the woods. Meera gave her mum a bouquet of flowers. The shoal of fish swam away quickly. The policeman had a large bunch of keys. A herd of elephants rampaged through the village. The children were attacked by a swarm or nest of wasps. Sally looked out of the window when a flock of seagulls flew by. The band of musicians played excitedly.